Excuse me. Hi. Hi. I just had to say, oops. Wow, you have the best walk I've seen today.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you must be from South Korea
How do you know?
because of the way you look.
Oh, okay. I don't
Yeah.
actually get that often, to be fair.
No, where do you get like Nigeria?
No, like, I don't know, like, I get like Filipino sometimes, or like Thai. It depends, like, the whole range. Like,
Filipinos, yeah. That's like. Can you tell the difference? Can you tell like
Yeah,
if
I
someone
think-
is from?
I mean, I feel like
South
I can
Korea.
definitely tell if it's like they've lived in South Korea.
Yeah.
I haven't lived in South Korea, so like I think it's a bit more
Yeah, because your accent is like from
hip.
London or Essex.
I don't live in London. I live near Windsor.
Windsor.
Like if you go west from London.
Yeah, yeah. That's
What about
like
you?
is that where the Queen's Palace is?
Well, yeah, it is. I don't live there, but like.
You don't live in the
near-
Queen's Palace?
But nearby.
Yeah.
What about you? Where are you from?
Guess.
As in like area.
As in like country.
Egypt?
Egypt.
No.
No, but we do have camels in my country.
UAE.
No, Persian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not known for the camels,
Yeah.
but we do have some there. Have you ever been to like Middle East or?
No, I haven't. I've always
No.
wanted to go to Dubai. I still
Yeah.
haven't had the chance.
Yeah, you look kind of like a Dubai vibes,
What do you mean?
like from the way you look.
You have very nice teeth, by the way.
Thank you.
I've got my Invisalign in, so
You got your what?
my like retainer in.
You got your retainer in.
Yeah.
What's that for? Like you
Like
you whitening?
Invisalign. Like to like straighten.
Oh,
them
to
out.
straighten them. Okay. Yeah, because my sister-in-law is a dentist,
Oh, okay.
so she always tells me, like, okay, you have to do this now. You have to like whiten them.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what do? You look like you're a personal trainer.
No, well, I'm currently studying economics.
Yeah.
But I did like a year in investment banking like
Okay.
nearby, but it finished like a week
You
ago.
got fired.
No, it was like a 12-month contract, and then
They're like, sorry.
yeah, I got the free umbrella. So
Oh yeah, you got the umbrella from there.
yeah, it's a nice umbrella. So
I was gonna say it's a bit too big for you.
no, it's a perfect size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're like small and then it can cover.
Yeah.
You would never like see any rain.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And I was gonna say you have like a really nice physique. Do you do like the gym or?
I do go to the gym like
Yeah.
most days, but like I like basically like over lockdown, like I just like gained loads of weight, and then I was like, it's time to get
To
back
lose
on
it.
it. So yeah.
So now, because you look quite like slim now,
Yeah.
so you've been hitting it hard or
Yeah, like I go like 6 days a week.
6 days?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, like I still have a long way to go, but like I'm getting there.
Yeah.
What about you? Are you a gym guy?
Oh, well, I used to be. Then I injured my back before COVID,
Right.
and then I
How'd
didn't
you
go
do that?
squats.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and then I didn't go. It was good for me because then the gym's closed, and I was like, oh, that's cool because I can't go anyway.
Yeah.
So I was happy. Yeah, but now I do like home exercises, like press ups and
What
stuff
do you do then, in general?
for work.
Yeah.
Guess.
I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know. Trading?
Trading?
No.
No.
I don't know. What do you do?
I'm a porn star.
Oh, you actually?
No.
What do you actually do?
No, I'm in property.
Oh, okay, like
Development.
real estate. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
That's where the money's at.
It's good money there.
Yeah.
Also, finance is good money too.
It is, but it's also not fun.
I can imagine. Yeah.
And like, it's just like, I think that over the year I just realised that I was really wanted to go into investment banking.
Yeah.
And then I did the year, and it was like, it kind of put it into perspective, and I was like, would I enjoy like doing this like
Yeah.
full time? No. I think I see
Would
it as like
I?
a short term, like 3 years.
You're asking yourself, would I be able to go on a date with handsome guys?
I mean,
Probably not.
probably. I mean, you get good perks though. Like
Do
you
you?
get free Ubers and like
Free dates
free
with cute
food.
guys.
I mean, not the free dates, but there's a lot of spots around the area.
Perfect area to
It's
find
a nice area,
to find a
but
nice sugar daddy.
I also had no friends at work, so
Okay.
like I just sit in like a piece of by myself in my breaks, and I was like, well, this is
Oh, you're bored.
Yeah.
Is there people that you work with? They're much older than you.
Yeah, I mean, like, there's like, so it's like it's like analysts, associates, directors, and then the managing director. So they're like top people.
And where were you, like here?
I mean, I was like
You were like here. You
yeah,
were like.
I was like.
It's like, oh, he's so cute.
And it's like, I didn't realise I was getting paid like a tenth of everyone else. So I was
Yeah.
like, why am I working so hard? It's like everyone's like getting paid. Like, I
Yeah,
didn't
but
get the
because you just started,
yeah, but
so
still.
that's how it is. The people at the bottom have to do most of the work,
Yeah.
but then you can come up, right? So one day you could come here.
Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing at the moment?
Well, right now,
Yeah.
I was gonna actually meet a friend in like half an hour. What about you? What are you up to?
I have like a dinner. I have to like go home and go
Yeah.
for dinner, but that's a bit late, so I was gonna just have a look and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bit window shopping.
Yeah, I mean, I'm so broke right now, so.
You're
window
broke.
Yeah.
So this is the perfect time to go into Selfridges.
Yeah, and just look and
Yeah.
like think about what I might want in the future.
You're like, okay, this is what I want
Yeah.
in 2 years after I finish uni.
But it's like I could buy something, but
Yeah.
like I've like put away a certain amount, and I
Yeah.
don't want to touch it, so I'm just controlling myself
Okay.
because I have a problem.
Well, it's not a good idea to just pop in Selfridges.
Yeah, but I actually I won't
'Cause
buy
you know-
anything.
Because you know what they say, like humans, they go for what they see. So when you
Yeah,
see it,
but-
you like it, then you go for it. You
Yeah.
know?
I guess.
Yeah. But listen, I wanted to go grab a quick smoothie. Would you like to join me for 10 minutes before you do your
why not?
Yeah? Let's go.
Where are you?
There's Joe and the Juice there. Yeah. So is Selfridges like your favorite?
I think my favorite store is Lululemon.
Lululemon?
Yeah, I mean they have one in Selfridges. That's
Okay.
like my main problem.
Is that just
Like,
for women or?
No, it's like a sports like gym brand. Like,
Oh,
this
this is why.
is full
Yeah.
Lululemon.
Yeah.
But it is quite overpriced for what it is. But I still, it's like it's expensive, but not expensive enough to put me off.
Hmm.
So then it adds up more, and it becomes an issue.
What about like what's those new brands like Gymshark? Is that good or that's not
I'm
that's not premium,
yeah,
is it?
It's not. It's not for me.
So what's the difference between like those and this one?
It's just like the quality, the fit. I mean, that being said, I've never actually tried Gymshark, so I wouldn't know. But I don't know. It's
You're
just
just
like
assuming.
a really famous. It's really famous. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I've heard of it.
What, do men wear it as well?
Probably
If I wear that, do
probably
you think
not as
that would
much,
good look?
But they have like separate men's stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is really good quality. It's like the classic, like Range Rover mum
Okay.
brand.
So that's you.
That's
You're
I'm manifesting.
you're
it by dressing
you're a
like
Range
one
Rover
brand.
mom.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get in your
Yeah.
let's get in there then. If you're ready for it, we might as well
Yeah, well,
make it happen.
Range Rover mum, like, minus the mum and the Range
Minus.
Rover. So basically-
Mine is the husband. Mine is everything. Yes.
Maybe there's a C